This is a 2-day crash course in Vetnomics to enable practitioners, that is breeding company reps, feed company reps, individual farmers and others engaged in genomic selection to become fully familiar with the background and the application of genomics in farmed livestock in just 2 days.
I studied it a wee bit at university, and this course here has just been an extra addition to it and filled my knowledge quite a bit.
So coming to this course has been really useful for me to fill in the gaps of what I've been learning on the job and provide a really cohesive sort of thorough understanding of genetics.
Based on my studies years ago, it's been very interesting because it's awoken a lot of stuff I thought I'd forgotten about genetics, and that's come back.
From my point of view, I think it's been really good to provide a lot of the extra theory to the background to my knowledge to just cement some of the key ideas that I'm probably using every day but haven't really thought about the theory behind.